How to type in Telugu or any other Indian languages in Windows 10. Windows 10 comes with English as a default language, means everything will be displayed in English. This is the default language, so we can see any window or its name, everything in English only. How can we change this display language or typing language? For example, here when I type, it will come only in English. If I want to type in Telugu, Hindi, Tamil or any other Indian language or any language, let us see how can we add any language in Windows 10. For this, first we need to open the language settings in Windows 10. For opening language settings in Windows 10, just click on Start button on the left side, then type language. Here language settings displayed. You can see this. Now click this language settings. By clicking that language settings option, a new window opens with the name language. Here we can find different options in language. Windows display language. Here it is English United States. Let us see how can we add a new language. In this window there is a add preferred language button. For adding any new language, we have to select this option, add a preferred language. Let us select this one. After clicking add a preferred language, Windows asking us to choose a language to install. Here we can choose any language available in this list. You can see all other languages also mentioned and Indian language also there. As it is hard to find the language we want, let us type few letters to find that language in this list. If I want to add Hindi, just type HINC. Here it is listed. Now we can select this one, or if we want to add Tamil, TAMIC, Tamil, India and Tamil Sri Lanka also displayed here. So first we will add Hindi language. I am typing HIND and selecting this one. Now after selecting this one, we have to click next. After clicking the next button, there are two options, set as my default language and install language pack. Install language pack is already checked. It is asking us to whether you want to set Hindi as display language, then we have to select this one. Otherwise we have to leave it as it is. We have selected Hindi and now click install button to install that language. You can see Hindi language added. By clicking this, we can see two more buttons saying options and remove. Let us see what are the options. Here language pack installed and handwriting, speech, regional format and keyboards. So after installing the Hindi language, we have to select the keyboard format. What type of keyboard we want? We have to select the keyboard. Here we can find Hindi traditional in script. Click add a keyboard. We have many options. Now let us select Hindi phonetic. Hindi phonetic means whenever we type in English, it will be displayed in Hindi. I am selecting Hindi phonetic. Hindi phonetic is added. Now you can observe the window. When we added Hindi phonetic, there is a little icon saying ENG is appeared on the taskbar. Earlier it was not there. So we can choose the language by clicking this ENG button. See, here two languages added. Earlier only English United States US keyboard was the default language, and when we added Hindi language and selected keyboards, these two keyboards were added. So if you want to delete or remove any one keyboard here, just click on that keyboard layout and remove. I am removing the InScript keyboard. Now only one is available. Let us check it. See, here only one keyboard is available. Now we can use this Hindi for typing purpose or for displaying purpose. Let us check it once. I am opening Notepad and typing. See the taskbar, it is saying ENG, means we can type only in English. See, for changing the language we have to click this button and select Hindi. We can also select this by pressing Windows plus spacebar at a time. See, Windows and spacebar and selecting the language. Now I am typing same letters. See, it's showing in English only, but there are some more options saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one is Hindi. If we press spacebar or enter, that Hindi words will come automatically. See, like this we can type in Hindi. If you want to change back to English, just press Windows button and spacebar and select the language, or click on this button and select the language. Now we can type in English like this. We have added Telugu language. Now let us see how to set this language as a default display language. For this we have to click this ENG button and select language preferences. Then in the language window, Windows display language has to be changed here. Here it is English United States. Now click this down arrow and select Telugu. By clicking this, Windows asking us to sign out now for setting this as a display language. If we click yes, sign out now, then it will be signed out from the Windows login and the language will be automatically changed to Telugu.